The Studio 75 was intended to emulate the sound of the 1975 studio recording Ritchie Blackmores Rainbow and to achieve Ritchie's early Rainbow Live sound. The basic sound can be described as crisp, but there's always an attractive little dirty breakup noticeable even in the clean position. At the left, there's a 2-position mini-lever switcher for top boost. In the down position, you'll get nearly the pure and very massive AIWA preamp sound. The upper position emulates a tad of Martin Birch's studio filtering, which is mainly a high-pass function. You will have the most flexibility using either the booster's high-pass or maybe the pure AIWA sound with a high-pass function built inside your amp, like in Ritchie's Marshall Majors. Or even without any high-pass, resulting in a very huge full-range AIWA sound. On the right, there's a knob for level. The overall sound is juicy, dynamic and pearly brilliant if you use mainly the bright input of your amp. The magical tone of the Studio and Live 75 booster is achieved by the interaction between guitar pickup, booster and amplifier. The booster should be connected in the signal path directly behind the guitar. The Studio 75 is powered by a 9-volt battery or external 9-volt power supply. The average output level is 7 decibel milliwatt, the maximum output voltage is 5 volts when the strings are struck really hard. All BSM boosters work true bypass when switched off. Here are some sound samples.